Good morning, students. Today we are starting Unit 9, that is Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Expressions, are formed from variables and constants. Terms are added to form expressions. And what are terms? They are formed as product of factors. Suppose I give you example 5x. So here 5 and x are being multiplied. 5 is constant, x is variable. Variables are exhibited through different alphabets. So this is a expression. Okay, suppose I add 5x plus 7y. Now this is also an expression, and now this expression contain two terms. दो टर्म्स होगी. 5x मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं 7y, दीज आर ऑल्सो बींग मल्टीप्लाइड, और ये दो टर्म्स है सेपरेटेड बाय एडिशन. वट एक्सप्रेशन कंटेन्स बेसिक ऑपरेशंस, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and terms are separated through addition or subtraction sign, and these are coefficient, numeric coefficients. What is the coefficient of 5x? 5. What is the coefficient of 7y? 7. Is it clear? So in exercise 9.1 we have been given identify the terms, their coefficients. Now expressions are given to us, like first is 5x y z square minus 3z y. Now terms are separated by addition or subtraction sign. This is subtraction sign, so there are two terms. First term is 5x y z square, and second term is minus 3z y. These are two terms. And what are the coefficients? Here the numeric coefficient or coefficient you will say 5, and here sign also you will take minus 3. Is it clear? Now second part is 1 plus x square. So 1 2 3, three terms are there, 1 x and x square. What are the coefficient? 1 is constant, coefficient is 1 only. Now x क्या coefficient क्या होगा? Wherever nothing is written, it is means 1x. So 1 and x square का भी 1. Now here find the terms first. This is second term and this is third. So here also we are getting three terms, 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square, and the third term is z square. Now we will write the coefficient. What is the coefficient? 4. What is the coefficient here? Minus 4. And what is the coefficient here? Z. Z square. So what is the coefficient? 1. Now in this 1 2 3 4 terms हमेशा प्लस और माइनस साइन से सेपरेट होती हैं. 1 because expression is formed by addition or subtraction, terms get together and form an expression. What is the coefficient of 3? This is already constant, minus pq, so you will write minus 1. यहाँ क्या आया? minus 1. qr का coefficient 1. You may write plus 1, minus 1. Is it clear? Same way here also 1 2 3, three terms are there, x upon 2, second is y upon 2, and third term is minus xy. What is the coefficient of x upon 2? Means 1. So 1 upon 2. Constant जो होता है coefficient लिखना है. So here also half is the coefficient, and here minus 1. Sixth, first, second, third, three terms, 0.3a minus 0.6ab, and third term is 0.5b. So what is the coefficient of a? a क्या है, वेरिएबल, एंड दिस इज कोफिशिएंट 0.3 माइनस 0.6 ए बी का कोफिशिएंट, और b वेरिएबल है, इसका कोफिशिएंट 0.5. Now before starting question second, first you should understand that when an expression contains, आपको terms separate करनी आ गई प्लस और माइनस साइन से. जैसे इस एक्सप्रेशन में 1 2 3 टर्म्स थी, तो 3 टर्म्स को क्या कहते हैं, ट्राइनोमियल. 1 टर्म मोनोमियल. This we have done in 7th also. When an expression contain 2 terms, then it is called binomial. Bi means 2. 3 terms, then it is called trinomial. And in general, any expression containing 1 or more terms, these all are also called, in general we call them, this is a, we can say it is a trinomial, and in general I can say yes, this is a polynomial, even if it is contains only one term 0.38. So this is also a, this part, this one term is also called, having one term we make bifurcate it as monomial, or in general we can call it polynomial. So what a polynomial is, an expression containing one or more term with non-zero coefficient. ये जो coefficient है यहाँ zero नहीं होना चाहिए. Is it clear? And the power of the variable, जैसे यहाँ पे a b है वेरिएबल, इनकी पावर क्या है, 1 है. कुछ नहीं दे रखी, मैंने एक एग्जांपल लिया 2x² + y, 2 टर्म्स है, बाइनोमियल है. हम कॉमन जनरल में कह सकते हैं इट इज़ अ पॉलिनोमियल. और इसकी ये जो एक तो कोफिशिएंट क्या है यहाँ पे 2, इस टर्म का कोफिशिएंट क्या है 1, एंड द पावर ऑफ द एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ द वेरिएबल इज पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव नहीं है. इज इट क्लियर? तो इसको जनरल में हम पॉलिनोमियल भी कहते हैं. नाउ इन क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड, क्लासीफाई द फॉलोइंग पॉलिनोमियल्स और as monomial, binomial, trinomial, and which will not fit in any of these we will keep in as polynomial. So I am just writing like x plus y. First term is given as x plus y. X plus y. 2 terms are there. So I will put in binomial. 1000. It is just a constant 1. So monomial. Now next is x plus x² plus x cube plus x4. 1 2 3 4. 4 terms are there. So I have taken it in category of polynomial. Now monomial, not binomial, not trinomial, 4 terms. So I have kept in category of polynomial. Now 7 plus y plus 5x. So 3 terms are there. So I will keep in as trinomial. So in this way I have divided in different categories p, q, r. This is contains 3 factors, p, q, r are multiplied, but only one term is there, nothing is separated by plus or minus sign, so it is monomial. 2 terms, 1 2 1 2 1 2, so all are in category of binomial. Here 2y minus 3y² or 4y cube, 3 terms, trinomial. 5x minus 4y, and third term is plus 3x y, and the two expressions x, x² x cube, x4, 1 2 3 4, 4 terms are there. So polynomial. Here also a b b c c d d a, 4 are there. So even if you get 5 terms, you will put in the category of polynomial. These are also called polynomials, but special name have been given. 1 term, then it is called monomial, 2 terms binomial, and 3 terms trinomial. That's all for today. Thank you.